Are you ready for another exciting journey through the world of luxury on wheels? Welcome back, fellow travelers and adventurers. Today we're diving into the realm of super luxurious motorhomes that redefine the concept of mobile living. From opulent interiors to cutting-edge technology, these motorhomes are the epitome of luxury on the road. Get ready to be amazed as we unveil the top 10 super luxurious motorhomes that will melt your mind in 2024. But before we dive in, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Now, let's embark on this extravagant journey together. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Newmar Essex, a luxurious motorhome that combines comfort and style in one stunning package. Priced at $1 million, this motorhome features exquisite craftsmanship and top-of-the-line amenities that will make you feel right at home on the road. From spacious living areas to state-of-the-art entertainment systems, the Newmar Essex offers a luxurious retreat wherever your adventures take you. Claiming the number 9 spot is the four-travel Realm FS 605, a masterpiece of engineering and design priced at $1.2 million. This motorhome sets the standard for luxury travel with its spacious interiors and customizable floor plans. From gourmet kitchens to luxurious master suites, the four-travel Realm FS 605 offers unparalleled comfort and convenience for the discerning traveler. At number 8, we have the Newmar King Air, a symbol of luxury and sophistication on the open road. This motorhome is priced at $1.5 million and boasts opulent interiors and cutting-edge technology that will impress even the most discerning travelers. With its spacious floor plan and luxurious amenities, the Newmar King Air offers a truly lavish travel experience for those who demand nothing but the best. Taking the number 7 spot is the Anderson Mobile Estates Anderson Collection, a luxurious motorhome with a price tag of $2 million. This motorhome redefines luxury living with its elegant design and upscale features. From marble countertops to leather upholstery, every detail of the Anderson collection exudes luxury and sophistication. Entering our list at number 6 is the Newell Coach P50, a luxurious motorhome priced at $2.1 million. This motorhome combines cutting-edge technology with luxurious amenities to create the ultimate travel experience. From its state-of-the-art entertainment systems to its gourmet kitchen, the Newell Coach P50 offers a level of comfort and luxury that is unmatched in the industry. Claiming the number 5 spot is the Volkner Performance S, a luxury motorhome with a price tag of $2.1 million. This motorhome is the epitome of luxury and sophistication, with its sleek design and upscale features. From its spacious interiors to its top-of-the-line amenities, the Volkner Performance S offers a truly extravagant travel experience for those who demand the best. At number 4, we have the Featherlight Vanteri Platinum Plus, a luxurious motorhome priced at $2.5 million. This motorhome is a true work of art, with its elegant design and opulent interiors. From its marble floors to its crystal chandeliers, every detail of the Featherlight Vanteri Platinum Plus exudes luxury and sophistication. Taking the number 3 spot is the Furrion Elysium, a futuristic motorhome with a price tag of $2.5 million. This motorhome is unlike anything you've ever seen, with its sleek design and cutting-edge technology. From its retractable roof to its helicopter landing pad, the Furrion Elysium offers a level of luxury and innovation that is unmatched in the industry. With its futuristic design and state-of-the-art features, this motorhome offers a truly unforgettable travel experience. Entering our list at number 2 is the Marathon Coach, a luxurious motorhome priced at $2.6 million. This motorhome is the epitome of luxury and elegance, with its spacious interiors and upscale amenities. From its gourmet kitchen to its marble bathroom, every detail of the Marathon Coach exudes sophistication and style. With its customizable floor plans and top-of-the-line features, this motorhome offers a truly indulgent travel experience for those who demand the best. And finally, claiming the number 1 spot is the Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo Superior, the pinnacle of luxury motorhomes with a price tag of $3 million. This motorhome is a true masterpiece of design and engineering, with its sleek exterior and opulent interiors. From its rooftop terrace to its luxurious master suite, every detail of the Element Palazzo Superior exudes luxury and sophistication. There you have it, folks. The top 10 super luxurious motorhomes that will truly melt your mind in 2024. Which of these extravagant vehicles impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more jaw-dropping content. Until next time, happy travels.